Hey guys, welcome. Anthropic's Claude Code is an incredible agentic coding tool that reads your entire codebase, plans complex multi-file edits, and runs commands for you. And having it integrated directly into a Visual Studio means you can see inline diffs and review changes without switching back and forth to the terminal. So firstly, we need to just grab the official Anthropic extension from the marketplace. So just open up your Visual Studio and then navigate to your extensions. You can either find it right here, this is the extensions button, or just press Ctrl-Shift-X. Then in the search bar, just type in Claude Code, and after that, find that extension, just click on it, and you will have this install button right over here on this part of the screen. Once installed, just click on the new Spark icon in your top toolbar, activity bar, or bottom right status bar, and log in with your Claude Pro, Max, or Anthropic accounts. And then once you're done and connected, you can just go ahead and type in init/init into the prompt box, and Claude will analyze your project structure and automatically generate the MD file to store your codebase guidelines. That is it. Enjoy as always. Thanks for watching.